In this video, we're going to show you how to fix if the fan and lights stay on even after shutdown in Windows 10 or 11. Alright, so the first fix is shut down your PC using command. So the first step is just search command in Windows 10 and right-click on search result icon and choose run as administrator. Now run the command given on the screen right now, which is shutdown space /s space /f space /t space 0 to shut down your computer fully without any problem. The command will fully shut down your PC, forcibly closing any hindering application or so. Fix 2 is switch off the linked state power management. Sometimes the power management system may cause this issue, so to do this, launch a run terminal, which is press Windows key plus R together, and in the run window, type or copy paste control.exe space power cfg dot cpl comma 3, and then hit enter. Here, click on the PCI Express and then click Link State Power Management to expand it. Now you need to click on the drop-down menu and choose off from the listed options. After that, click on Apply and OK, and that should be fixed. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.